Hello YouTube. While running my application, actually I am going through this error which says like room cannot verify the data integrity. Looks like you have changed schema but forget to update the version number. You can simply fix this by increasing the version number, expected identity hash, and blah 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 this thing. So what is actually happening here, I just simply made some changes in my model. I made it parsable because I need this model to be parsed from my main activity to the editor activity. So this small changes actually disturbed my local database for which I'm using the room database, and now it's required to have different version than the previous one. To fix this issue, what I need to do is to go to my room database instance where I actually create the instance, and there you can see the version, and from this version I need to say version 2. Once I change the version, then you will go and run your application. Yeah, after changing our application, we still face the same issue. It says like a migrate from 1 to 2 was required but not found. Please provide the necessary migration path via room database.builder.add migration. Okay, so for me, since this one is just a starter, so the good thing is if you just go and uninstall the application and reinstall it, so this will be fixed by uninstall and installing the application. Otherwise we need to add the migration method over here. So let's go and see if the uninstall and installed fixed our issue. Okay, now application has no issue, it's not crashing, and the version is actually updated. You can just simply check from here. We can move around and see there is no error. Okay, so our issue is resolved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.